Today, interior design is a $60 billion a year industry. The demand for interior design services is driven by the construction and renovation of residential, commercial, hospitality, healthcare, and institutional buildings. While still a relatively new profession, it is constantly evolving. Designers must adapt to the changing needs of the industry as well as current innovations in technology. Interior designers create spaces that contribute to the health, safety, and welfare of people. The practice of interior design and its profitability depends on accurate estimating, coordinated deliveries, technical design skills, and other knowledge along with creativity and ingenuity. This is knowledge that can only be gained from an education in design.
To call himself an interior designer, one must first graduate from an accredited interior design program, which confirms that the education received equips students with the skills necessary to make responsible, well-informed decisions that impact greater society. Among these are the comprehension of building codes and regulations, space planning, color theory, technical drawing skills, as well as other interior design-related components. According to the National Council for Interior Design Qualifications, the NCIDQ exam identifies for the public those interior designers who are qualified to design and execute interior spaces that protect public health, safety, and welfare. Each year, interior designers are required to take continuing education units to advance their education, keep up with growing trends, and new products and innovations that in turn make the job of the designer dynamic and exciting.
Throughout every moment of every day, people constantly enter, exit, and circulate through spaces while interacting with family, friends, co-workers, and often complete strangers. How people interact with others in an interior setting is directly influenced by the circulation, functionality, and atmosphere of that space. Human interaction is the key to understanding the logistics of planning an interior environment. A licensed interior designer has acquired the tools necessary to design the proper setting, meeting the needs of that given space.
The design of an interior psychologically affects our mood and behavior. The overall atmosphere of a space is composed of design elements such as color, lighting, patterns, and spatial relationships between objects that play a much larger role in our emotional well-being and performance than most might realize. For instance, certain lighting promotes peace and tranquility, while other types can induce stress and frustration. This is knowledge that can only be gained from a solid education in design.
Interior design has morphed into a global industry with ties to many others, from manufacturing to retail and service industries. Its success has become so intrinsically tied to the global economy that it has become one of the best indicators for determining the state of the economy in local, regional, and global markets.
Knowledge constantly evolves, transforms, and grows, forever demonstrating its value. Moreover, it must be discussed, defined, and documented by members of its profession. Just as knowledge is ever evolving, design is as well. We must recognize the importance of interior design education and how this knowledge and expertise impacts the health, safety, and welfare of the people in our society.